Hi friends, good morning. This is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I am going to unbox and review the new gaming headset from Kingston. So here is the box and the model name is HyperX Cloud Revolver. I got this review product from Kingston itself, so first of all I would like to thank you Kingston for sending this review product. Now in this video I would be showing you like what all components are there inside this box, and then I will test the performance of these headphones. Like I'll play some games and then I play some movies and play some songs, and then I will check the performance of these headphones. So stay tuned to my video.
Alright, now let me quickly open the box and show you like what all things are there inside. So as soon as you open this box, you will see that this headphone is nicely packed inside this cushion, and on the top of the box you can see that we have the congratulations message from HyperX team. They say that welcome to 7.1 Dolby digital sound system. Alright, so here you can see that we have the large headphone. This is the HyperX Revolver headphone, and we have these wires along with this headphone. So let me take everything out of this box and then I'll show you like what all things are there. So here you can see that this is the headphone. This is the HyperX headphone, and the build quality, I can feel it now itself, like it's really good. And this is the detachable mic, and here we have the Dolby digital sound controller, like it is a USB converter as well. So now let me show you the headphone closely. So here you can see that we have lots of cushion on these headphones, and they are really comfortable. When I touch on top of this headphone, you can see that we have got metal bands, so these are really strong headphone. And on the right hand side we can see that we have the HyperX logo, which is designed very beautifully, that is in black and white color. So apart from this, we have the microphone socket here. So I can show you that this is the microphone socket where you can put your microphone, and this 3.5 mm audio jack is not detachable, so this is kind of fixed. This is like a negative point on this headphone, that if the wire goes down or some problem happens with the wire, you will not be able to change the wire itself. You have to go to the service center. Now let me show you how you can attach the microphone in this headphone. So this is very simple, just plug it in and you are ready to go with the microphone. And here you can see that we have this good feature in the microphone, that it bends and sets at the same place where you want to keep it. So it's very easy, that you don't have difficulties in adjusting the microphone whenever you want to speak into it or if you don't want to use it. Alright, the next thing is like this Dolby digital sound controller. So what happens here, like if you switch on the Dolby digital sound, so it will give you the woofer effect or the Dolby digital effect, and it can also control your volume as well as the microphone volume. So it can control both the things. So this controller is really good, and this will convert your 3.5 mm audio jack into USB. So what you have to do is like you have to first connect the 3.5 mm audio jack of your headphone. It will go into this particular wire or converter, and there you can see that we have two options. Either you can convert it into USB, or you can convert into two separate jacks, one for audio, one for microphone. So you have plenty of options, like you can use this headphone in different kind of devices. So this is one of the USP of this headphone, and I definitely liked it. Alright, so this was the details of this headphone.
Alright friends, so now let me try to show you that how does these headphones looks on your head. So here let me wear this headphone, and you can see that these headphones are really comfortable. It's not touching my ears, it's like completely over it, and you can see that these white and black design looks very cool on these headphones. As well as I put the microphone here, so you can see that the microphone is also adjustable, so you can keep it here, you can keep it here, so like it will set at that place where you want to set it. So you can keep it as close as you want, and you can remove it if you don't want to keep it close to your mouth. Now I'll tell you, like these headphones are very comfortable. These are having the metal bands on this instead of giving plastic band, because this increases the durability of this headphone. So the durability wise, I can see that this headphone has really good build quality. Alright, so now I've done testing of these headphones on my gaming PC as well as on my mobile. So when I was playing game, the Dolby effect was really good. Like it was moving from one side to another side. The Prologic effect was coming really good. It has got good amount of bass. The sound loudness is also very high. Like you have to keep it low, you cannot keep it at high or maximum level. As well as the clarity and the depth, highs and lows are really good on these headphones. So I did not find any drawback on these headphones because they are very comfortable as well. and they don't touch your ears when you wear this. Like, it is completely over the ear headphones, and the sound quality, definitely, as I told, it's really good. Now, like 10,000 rupees, like, is it worth? So I would tell that these are not the best headphone at 10,000 Indian rupees, but these are one of the best headphones, because I'm using Plantronics 7.1 Gamecom 750 series. That is also good, but those are only USB. But here we have option of putting it in mobile phone, like 3.5 mm audio jack and USB option. So like, overall, I would tell you that these headphones are really cool. Like, this is very durable. And then if you have that 10,500 Indian rupees or 10,000 rupees, then you can definitely go for this headphone. So alright, so this was my review for this headphone. I hope you liked it, and if you liked, do subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.